Now I'm only down, what, 2 pieces? All right. Okay. I got this. And so I bought the shop, and I don't know how long I had that shop. It was my second upholstery shop. And I sold it for like twice what I paid for it, which still was nothing. But I made money there. It was fun. Adrian Garza says, good game enough for the night. Adrian, thanks for coming, dude. Colin Higgins says position was 2-1 for him. Yeah, it was, man. I won some material up front. I think I might have had a mate earlier on, to be perfectly honest with you. This guy's 1667, guys. We're going to have to try and play the good stuff against him. That's the goal here, guys. We want to get a little bit better at chess, man. Keep hanging out. Do your studying offline. We learn a little bit here. We do our supporter workshops for players rated under 1,000. Sometimes even higher than that. And try and get you guys out of the 300s. It's not hard. You guys can do it. I'm already seeing a bunch of supporters. They're just freaking winning 8 games, 11 games in a row. Because they're starting to just do basic stuff just basic opening principles and stuff. Simple stuff. But if you ain't doing it, you're leaving a lot of rain points on the floor, man. This guy. And we're working, man. And we stopped to take a picture, and we're just dirty and raggedy. And, you know, there's like a 10-year-old kid with a huge pair of scissors in his hand, and we just stop and kind of look at the camera. Okay, back to work. I'm not saying my dad's child labor slave drove us. In real life, it's okay to learn how to help support yourself and your family. Even when you're a kid. Some point. Okay, now this is the greedy move. Bishop d3 now is very possible. e5, not f5. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with all these pawns, right? I'm just doing this. I gotta make a move. You don't want to get too far into this game, like goofing around and trying to figure stuff out for yourself. It can be fun. Oh, it's like I almost want to take, but I know I'm not supposed to. Now, you know, there's ideas. I think I want to do this now. Just didn't even look at it, man. Just played it. Stuart wants a rematch. Oh, man. Dude, you're brutal, man. I didn't know you were that good, Stuart. Who are you? G3 is a definite idea. There's a knight check, though. That might just give him d5. That might just give him d5. Instantaneously. My queen's getting kicked around a little bit. That's okay. Yeah, that was a good game, man. You started off that endgame with that bad bishop. Were you up a pawn? You might have been. f6. Bishop g8. How about this square? I want to play bishop d3, but I don't want to play bishop d3 because it loses a piece. But I want to play this, but then the knight c4 is looking pretty nice, man. I think I played okay. Okay, now. The square, my queen's got it covered. He might annoy it. Thinking about taking and maybe knight attacking the square, right? Or maybe this first. Looking at a3, man. About a rook here. No, it would still be okay for him. King b1 probably isn't a terrible move. Doing it. Oh, I think I blew it. Well, my knight could come here. Yeah, see, he has b4 now, guys. Yes, B4. And I was thinking my knight could come back, but it can't because of that check. I don't want to allow it. I could come to this square, unprotected, but I could jump into this square or even bring the queen up there, which is what I really don't want to do. So B4 is a good move, man. This wasn't the move. A3 was better. What was better? A3. A3 might have bought me another move, man. Yeah, now this knight has no squares. Well, it's a square. I have to consider it. I have to consider it. Give him the check. King over. And it's going to be pinned. It just looks to me like I don't have much of an attack. I mean, I think I have a long-term attack, but nothing really is happening. I really blundered by playing King B1. King B1. And, oh, he just does it that way. Rook comes over to the dead pawn file, which makes me feel good. Right? Now. Doesn't do what I want it to do. Losing games can be so depressing. I need to figure out a way to make losing games more fun, right? Hey guys, let's be happy for my opponent. Yeah, not doing that. That's not me. I'll tell you a great mental scam you can do on yourself. When you play a good player and you can't wrap your head around beating them, like you're a little bit nervous, you're a little bit whatever. You feel sorry for him. Feel sorry that you're gonna beat him. I read it in a book. Point the Way by the monk. It was a very Zen type book about pool. And if you're about to play a guy, whether I knew I was going to beat him or thought I could beat him or thought I couldn't or whatever, you just feel sorry for him. Like, I'm going to beat this guy. You start feeling bad for him. And it brings him way down off your level. You know what I'm saying? Feel sorry for your opponent, says Charlie. Okay. Whoop-dee. Oh, he goes that way. See, didn't see it. Bring in the rook. Keeping pressure. I'm not gonna win this game. I shouldn't be negative, but I won games like this before, and this goes in. I was busted, right? But all you gotta do is, like, what if a grandmaster took this position? Yeah, man, reconnecting the rook situation. Hey, we gotta follow. I'm just gonna move forward, man. I don't know what else to do. Rook F8's probably a good... Yeah, I saw this idea. Pretending. Allowing this discovery thing probably wasn't a good idea, but yeah, I could push back and let him... I could let him piece machine. I could let him piece machine me for sure. He's loving this position, guys. This is like when you're like up a piece, your opponent's got, you know, there's no really threats. They're all these threats. These are empty threats, man. Nothing really cool is happening here. There's ideas of pushing this pawn too. Yeah, knight takes. Hopefully his knight comes to c4 with tempo, and I go, oh man, I gotta move my queen. He just backs up there and wants to trade. Oh, and that's gonna force queens, man. It's gonna force queen trade. Wait for it. Where's the shot? Where's the shot? There's no shot. My opponent's playing good moves, guys. Don't do it. Don't do what? Don't resign. It's about time to resign, guys. Queen's coming off. Queen's coming off, Rich. Okay, I see it. I see it. This This keeps it alive, guys. Just give him the knight, and then play G6. This is literally like how to just try and keep the crap pumping, man. Just keep pumping the crap. That's what I'm doing. Nicola says this is completely playable. Thank you, Nicola. Thank you, Nicola. Right now, we try and open them up. Guys, this was not a dumb idea to try and keep things alive. Also, I have pawn takes, and it's pinned, but we're gonna keep that in our pocket. I just feel like this is the move. Now I'm only down, what, 2 pieces? All right. Okay. I got this. I'm not saying it was good, but I am saying I played it. Rook. Yeah. Do I have a draw? No. The other idea is take the pawn or bring the rook. Bring the rook allows this, and when the king comes this way, I got nothing. I'm doing this. I think I'm taking the draw, guys. I think I see a draw, right? Rook. Then he has bishop. Oh, it's not even freaking... It's not. I thought I had him. I gotta move. I have 1 second, guys. I had to move. I had to freaking move. It burns like fire. I have to watch for back ranks. He plays the knight. I had to move, man. I had to freaking move. I think I bring the rook. I think he has to play back the bishop. Mate, right? He has 1 move. I got him, guys. I was busted. Woo! 1667. The pressure was real. I had 1 second left, man. I had 1 second left. Guys,